Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones SONY XM6. And firstly we need to turn off these headphones, so at the bottom of the left ear cup we have a power button. You need to press and hold it, and we just did it. We turn off it, so now it's not connected with our phone, and if you have Android it will move to save devices. It means that it's disconnected. Now you need to turn on these headphones, so press and hold power button again, and here we go, we just turn on it, so these headphones should reconnect to the phone, and here we go, we have connection, and with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.